Hello guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'll be solving your doubts on the question that is how to connect Zelle to Capital One Shopping. So I'm going to clearly state to you guys that it is not possible to connect Zelle to Capital One Shopping because they serve entirely different purposes. Zelle is a payment platform used for transferring money directly between bank accounts, while Capital One Shopping is a browser extension and app designed for finding discounts and deals online. They are not integrated with one another and cannot be linked. Now, if you're looking to use Zelle with your Capital One bank account, you can do so through the Capital One mobile application or website. Simply sign in and select your checking account and follow the prompts to send money with Zelle. Now, you can set up and use Zelle on Capital One. To access Zelle through the mobile application, sign into the Capital One mobile application, then tap on the checking account you want to send funds with, then tap Send Money with Zelle to get started. To access Zelle through website, sign into capitalone.com, click on the checking account you want to send funds with, then click on Send Money with Zelle to get started. Please note that you may be required to verify a one-time passcode to send funds with Zelle. If you do not have a mobile phone number that can be used to receive a one-time passcode, you cannot send funds with Zelle. So that was all about connecting Zelle to Capital One Shopping. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.